Hello everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and today we've got a very nice Nissan Elgrand HWS. It's a 2008 vehicle, done 28,000 miles, and it's four-wheel drive in pearl white. So I just think this vehicle is lovely. We're getting some very nice cars lately. In particular, this vehicle's got full black leather, as you can see, but the main point about this vehicle is because it is four-wheel drive, pearl white, no sunroofs, this particular vehicle lends itself, this Elgrand lends itself to being converted into a motor camper by anybody who wishes to do that. And so somebody could buy the vehicle and just use it as it is, but it's ideal, perfect for conversion. The point is that you could order a drive lodge elevating roof, and you could do this while the vehicle is in transit from Japan to the UK to save time, and it would come in the pearl white to match the colour. You wouldn't have to paint the roof. This would save you £300 on the cost of the roof. So I can put you in contact with people who can supply the roof and supply and fit, and also supply and fit M1 pull tested seat swivels to the front seats that allow the front seats to swivel around and face rear, so that when you install a centre pole table, you can actually have 5 people sat round a table having a meal while in a Tesco parking bay. So that was if you did a rear conversion, and the seats will also fold down. You can make a bed out of them. There are certain ways in which that can be done, but in particular this vehicle has been cherry picked, hand selected, however you want to describe it. These, with 28,000 miles on the clock, this vehicle would still have a market, very popular in Japan. So you don't steal out of the auctions vehicles like this. You're not going to get them for cheap prices. The money has to be paid for the quality cars. It just goes with the territory. So I provide the opportunity for individuals here in the UK to be able to buy these cars direct from Japan at the export trade price, and in that I work for a fixed commission. So you're paying the same price I would have to pay plus my commission on this vehicle. I will stay beside my customer all the way through to registration at the DVLA. You'll find it very difficult to find better quality of cars available to be purchased here in the UK. So if anybody's looking to buy a car and is concerned about throwing good money after bad while doing a camper conversion, well, in this particular case, you don't need to worry about this, because this vehicle is of a quality that you can quite happily spend the money that it will take to convert. And when you've finished doing your conversion, you've got a motor camper with 28,000 miles on the clock and a very, very solid, clean chassis. So you're welcome to call me and have a conversation. There is no obligation to buy any particular vehicle. If you've got a number of questions, you just write them down first, ring me up, and I'll go through the questions and give you the answers. This vehicle's got 2 power doors either side. As you can see in a moment, you'll see that the four-wheel drive system comes up on the dashboard. There it is. It's currently in 2-wheel drive. These vehicles I have been supplying for the past 19 years. If you do your due diligence and on the internet, you'll find more information out there about me on the owners clubs. Speak to the owners clubs. You'll come across many of my customers. I have supplied thousands of cars from the Isles of Orkney to the Isles of Jersey. I have supplied cars all over. Wherever you are located, if there isn't a customer in your location, there'll be one within a few miles. I've supplied them everywhere. That's Northern Ireland, Highlands of Scotland, right the way down to the tip of Devon, and over on the other side in the southeast. all up the East Coast. Anywhere you name a place, I've got a customer there. So there's the auction report. You can see the mileage, 45,630 kilometres. That's kilometres, 28,000 miles. And the year is H2007. That means 2008 July. So there's all the details. If it's of interest to anyone, for camper conversion in particular, get in contact with me. It's Paul speaking, and I'll take you through the process. No problem. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.